Experiencing devices unable to connect to your Spectrum router? The common culprits are often related to DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, AP, access point isolation, and exceeding device limits. First, DHCP automatically assigns IP addresses to devices on your network. Problems arise if the router runs out of available IP addresses, lease exhaustion, assigns the same IP to multiple devices, IP conflict, or if the DHCP server malfunctions. Next, AP isolation is a security feature that prevents devices on the same Wi-Fi network from communicating with each other. While it enhances security, it can block legitimate connections like printers or shared drives. Finally, Spectrum routers have limits on the number of devices that can connect simultaneously, typically between 32 and 128, depending on your router model. Exceeding this limit can lead to disconnections or slowdowns for all devices. Knowing these three factors is the first step to resolving connectivity problems. Start by power cycling your Spectrum router. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves DHCP lease issues and clears temporary glitches. Next, check your router's firmware. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity problems. Log into your router's settings, usually accessible via spectrum.net/setup or 192.168.0.1, and look for a firmware update option. To address AP isolation, access your router settings or use the Spectrum app and navigate to the advanced or wireless settings to disable AP isolation. Be aware this might slightly reduce network security. If you suspect you're hitting device limits, check the connected devices list in your router's settings. Disconnect any unused devices. If you consistently exceed the limit, consider upgrading to a Spectrum plan that supports more devices, or adding a mesh Wi-Fi system like Spectrum's Wi-Fi 7 pods to distribute the load. If these steps don't work, contact Spectrum support for further assistance. Remember to regularly reboot your router and keep its firmware up to date to prevent future issues.